Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to EVS session Unit 8 All Important Water. This we all discussed in previous classes. Today we'll discuss the why can't we drink sea water. Why can't we drink sea water, children? The sea water contains a salt and minerals in greater proportion. The salt and minerals are very highly proportion, greater proportion. This is harmful for our health. Whenever we drink that water, it is very harmful for our health. Even also, they are not useful for our any purposes because the sea water contains the fully salt and minerals in greater proportion. So this is very harmful for our health. So we cannot drink the sea water. Understood? Yes. Why can't we drink sea water, children? Sea water contains salt and minerals in greater proportion. This is very harmful for our health. So we can't drink a sea water. Next come to how does water get dirty. In 135 page number the picture as given. See there the one woman washing the utensils. One boy is throwing something garbages. One dhobi man is washing the clothes. Factory all the dust particles will connect it that river only. See how the water will getting the very dirty because when we throw garbage into river, lakes or other water bodies, the water body will get the dirty. The water will get poisons because when the dust or smoke or any other gases from the factory or burning the garbages in are mixed with water or the water gets automatically dirty. So this is called an water pollution. When people even also in village side the people bath there only. They washing the clothes there only, they washing the utensils there only, the animals also they are washing, even also vehicles also they are washing. Yes or no? Even even also the animals that only drink that water only. The animals are bathing there only in ponds, rivers, lakes. In this the water automatically get dirty only, children. Yes or no? So this is called a water pollution. It means the pollution means making the air or water or a soil dirty by adding the some poisonous matters. Okay, in water body they connected with the soil. Yes or no? The all the connected give to the water only. The factory members they giving connected to the water body only, but it will automatically that water gets dirty because the even also utensils or washing the clothes, the animals, the vehicles, these all are washing that water body, then the water will dirty. So we avoid the what the poisonous matter, throwing poisonous matter in that water or garbages into river. The plastic contents are floating on the water only. They will not go the dumping or any what they will not. So we don't throw that all the what the plastic wrappers or chocolate wrappers, that chips packets wrappers, they will floating on the river. So when we throw garbage or dirt into river, lakes or other water bodies, we are dirtying it. Whenever you go with your parents, with your family, with a small pond side trip or making a enjoyable day, that water body is there, please don't throw that water body, anything don't throw that water body. Please that avoid that all these things. You have to keep very clean on that area, then only our environment will be the good or not polluted. So how much we taking care the environment, that much only we are surviving the good life. We are taking a good air. Otherwise we will drink that water only, we will take that to air only, it will harmful for our body, for body. Even also small children also they will get harmful, old members also will get the harmful. So Please avoid all these things, throwing the garbage, using the water like washing the clothes, animals bathing, vehicle bathing there. Please, this all we have to stop it. Understood? Yes, then only the water will get clean. Otherwise, the water will go the dirty only. Okay? If you have any doubts are there, please call to me. Okay? Right. Have a good day, children. Bye.